I'm Sakshi, a UX designer at Hexaware. I create user-friendly designs for mobile applications and websites. The Hexaware value I relate to most is be sustainable. Hexaware encourages us to think long-term, ensuring that my efforts make a positive impact on environment. Hexaware has boosted my career by providing opportunities like hackathon and external certificate courses, which has expanded my skill set and pushed me to stay on the top of the industry trend. I am currently reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. It teaches me how small habits can lead to big improvement in life and work.